This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the right blank. Pick dense hardwood or bone, about 8 to 12 inches long, to hold a fine edge and weight. Once chosen, mark the hook outline on the face, follow the grain to avoid splits. Make a rough cut with a saw to remove waste, then switch to a carving knife for controlled removal. You should carve outside the final line first, because removing too much is irreversible. Keep shavings light and inspect the curve as you go. Continue by refining the hook's inner curve. Work slowly and rotate the piece to keep the profile consistent. Once the basic curve is right, establish the eye or thong hole using a 3 to 6 mm drill. Bevel the entry so cord won't chafe. Then form the point and barb by removing small amounts. File the barb undercut from the inside because that gives holding power. Make sure to sand progressively from 120 to 220 grit. Checking symmetry and balancing, wait for proper swing and strength. To finish, seal the surface with tung oil or shellac. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats and let each dry fully. This strengthens fibers and resists water. Bind the throat with waxed cord or sinew, making a secure loop. Glue the knot for permanent hold. Once dry, lightly buff for sheen. If you encounter hairline cracks, stop immediately. Fill them with a low viscosity epoxy, clamp gently until cured. Then resand and reseal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.